A trademark mini course for business owners, paralegals, and entrepreneurs. Hey everybody, my name is Marcella Dominguez. I'm a trademark lawyer. I've been doing this for over 5 years, closer to 10 years now. I'm really excited to bring you a trademark mini course. So when you are learning to file a trademark, it's going to be very important that this continue to be a repeatable process for you. So if you're somebody that's only considering filing one trademark, then perhaps this is not the course for you. If you want to file a trademark application, then it's really important that you understand the ins and outs so that you can be successful on the first try. Now, this is especially important if you're a paralegal or if you're conducting work on somebody's behalf. So if you're working for a law firm or a lawyer, then you really want to make sure that you satisfy the client needs. Otherwise, you might be in trouble. When you're a business owner, you really don't have anybody who's gonna, be upset at you except for yourself. So it's equally important that a business owner understands how to do this, but it's very, very important that legal professionals have a step-by-step process that they can follow so that they are successful the first time around. Now, in this course, I am going to teach you what the USPTO is looking for when it comes to the application. Now, a trademark application can be broken down into different parts. So one of the parts, for example, is who's going to own the application. Now, that might seem really simple and straightforward. You're thinking, I'm the owner, who else am I going to list? How hard can that be? Well, and then we move into more difficult pieces like, do you know what class you're going to register in? You need to have a class number attached to a class description. Now, for somebody who is new to this, they might think, well, okay, I could just do a search on the USPTO and just plug that number in. If you are new to this channel and this is the first video that you're watching, I want to make you very aware that some mistakes within a trademark application can be extremely detrimental. So that means that the USPTO will not give you a refund. It might mean that you have to redo the application again, thereby wasting time, wasting money, and wasting resources. And again, if you are somebody who's working on behalf of a client, then the client is probably going to be very, very upset at you and will not rehire you ever again, nor recommend you. And remember that recommendations are one of the number one ways in which you can get repeat business. Now, if you're a business owner, you still don't want to be wasting your time, your resources, because I know that some of you might be bootstrapping it and you want to allocate those funds into something else more exciting, maybe marketing, advertising, social media, but you catch my drift. So I'm glad you're here watching this video. Now, I told you that the application is broken down into many parts. So one of the other parts that's really, really critical for you to get right is the specimen or the proof of use that you're going to submit to the trademark office. Now, if you submit something that the trademark office doesn't want or is not looking for or is extraneous, then they might disregard it. And again, you're going to be wasting time. So in this mini course, I'm going to walk you through an application step by step. I'm going to teach you exactly what you need to know, what the USPTO is looking for, what the trademark examiner wants to know, so that you can confidently file trademark applications knowing that you have increased chances of achieving a successful registration. Now, in case you're wondering, well, how many applications have you filed? How many successful registrations do you have? I want you to take a look at this pile right here. If you don't follow me on social media, I actually posted this on my channel. Now, it was important for me to share that I have been filing trademark applications for a variety of businesses, ranging from software companies to entertainers and performers to product-based businesses to Amazon sellers. So needless to say, I have covered lots of different identifications of goods and services, which is very, very important when you're learning how to file your trademark application, because the crux of the application definitely lies in the goods and services. And again, if you mess that up, then you could be creating an irreversible mistake, thereby costing your clients or yourself time and money. If you want to get a taste of what would be in the mini course, I invite you to sign up for the free masterclass down below. You can also get straight into the course if you already know that this is for you and you've been wanting to learn trademark law for a really long time now. Legal professionals need a resource that they can access. They need someone that they can call on in the event that they have any questions after the mini course. So I have made myself completely available through the link down below. I'm really excited to meet all of you and to answer all of your questions. If you visit trademarktrainer.com, you will see more details on what to expect. So I'm showing those trademark registrations to you because it was really, really important for me to show you that I have been registering trademarks, running the gamut from software as a service to Amazon sellers to performers and entertainers, all the way to goods related businesses like merch. So I want to make sure that you get it right on the first try, and that's why I'm putting together this mini course for you. So here's an example of a trademark that I registered for a client, and the reason I am showing this to you is because I know that this is what you are trying to achieve either for yourself or for other clients. So like I said, I want to make sure that you get it right on the first try. And let me tell you that the USPTO is not issuing these anymore in physical form. So it used to be that when you achieved a registration, you were going to receive this certificate with a pretty gold seal, and now they're not sending them out anymore. So it is going to be up to you to go into the system and print it. When I first started out, clearly I wasn't as experienced as I am now. And if I would have had a course like this to just teach me the ins and outs without having to learn the hard way, I would have been so grateful, and I probably would have had a lot more successes sooner. And taking a course sooner would have given me that boost of confidence that I needed at the beginning when every lawyer is just starting out, or when every paralegal is starting out, or when every business owner is just starting out. In the beginning, you don't really know exactly what you're doing, but you're crossing your fingers really tightly that you're doing it correctly so that you're not wasting time and money. You need confidence. And how do you get confidence? Well, I am here to give it to you in the form of this. Scroll down into the description below for the free masterclass, and I can't wait for you to join us. If you are looking for a place where you can establish confidence, a place where you can network with like-minded entrepreneurs or like-minded legal professionals, or you are looking for a place where you can get answers even after this course is done, then I am going to be more than happy to see your smiling face in the course. Perhaps going into this new year and this new quarter, it has been a goal of yours to learn trademark law or how to file trademark registrations with the USPTO through the form of a mini course, because it has been on your to-do list for a really long time. You want to start helping business owners. You want to become a more well-rounded legal professional, able to handle more legal related matters. If you are looking for a free trademark training course, then you are in the right place. I do offer a free masterclass. All you have to do is scroll down into the description below. If you want a more involved class that involves a little bit more hand-holding, goes a little bit deeper into the process, and makes you extremely confident about filing a trademark registration so that you increase your chances of success on the first time, then make sure you listen up and at the end scroll down into the description. I also want to make sure you follow up with this playlist right here. I can't wait to see you in the masterclass.